boys?
Yeah.
And you found the splash pad, and we went on the roller coaster again. It was a long wait, and we've just come to City Walk to go to Voodoo Donuts and a couple of the shops. So this is what we're going to look at, the famous Voodoo Donuts. Here we are. Whoa, massive.
The most expensive one's $4.27.
So many.
It's easy to look at it. Jeez, that's Texas.
I know. Wow. That's the one with bacon on, look. Doesn't look right. Maple bar. Wow. That's the selection. Good things come in pink boxes.
It looks massive, the Voodoo doll.
Does it? What's it got stuck in it?
It's like
Thank you. Might as well. Secured the goods. On the camera it looks as big as your body. Wow.
Which one's all
Absolute massive.
mine.
Yours is big, isn't it? And the steak, oh, is it a pretzel?
You move
hanging
out
out.
the way a minute.
Oh. Finishing up. Arch couldn't finish all of his though, could you? He thinks we're going to carry this box around.
In the middle there's jam to make it look like the
Was yours good, Ollie? Was yours good?
Yeah, very nice, smoky.
Mine was very rich, but it went down. Reasonable price actually. We got them all for
$15 with tax.
$15 with tax, which was really reasonable. Impressed by that. And we've finally made it to the Chocolate Emporium. Not quite sure what's inside. Looks like a restaurant. After all that. Looks cool though. Looks like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Oh, they sell desserts. Ooh. Appetizers, pasta. Let's have a look. Food and spirits. And we're in. Oh, so it is a shop as well. No, it's completely different to what I thought it was going to be. Oops. Walking behind the till.
Take out and sit there.
No, not really. Do you? Not sure it'll go in our house. Yeah, it's random, isn't it? Like steampunk.
That's why they're called steampunk art.
Oh, right.